Hunger and malnutrition have killed 113 Palestinians, including 80 children, since Israel launched its offensive. Even journalists who report Israeli aggression are facing the threat of starvation. The issue was raised by BBC and international news agencies like AP, AFP, and Reuters. A joint statement issued by the four media outlets highlighted the trouble that journalists are facing in Palestine. Journalists endure many deprivations and hardships in war zones. We are deeply alarmed that the threat of starvation is now one of them. At least 229 media professionals have been killed in Gaza since October 2023. The media organizations urged Israeli authorities to allow journalists into Gaza. They also demanded that adequate food supplies must reach the locals. Israel partially lifted its blockade on humanitarian aid in late May. The majority of aid relief is carried by the US-Israeli-backed Humanitarian Gaza Foundation or GHF. However, over 1,000 Palestinians were killed by the Israeli forces at the aid centers. The United Nations called the GHF centers death traps earlier. 108 aid organizations flagged mass starvation in Gaza. This includes organizations like Doctors Without Borders, Save the Children, Oxfam, and Amnesty International. The World Health Organization chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus said Gaza is suffering a man-made mass starvation caused by the Israeli blockade. Close to 508 trucks used to enter Gaza before the war, as opposed to just 28 on an average right now. Gaza has a population of over 2 million people. Israel rubbished these claims as aiding Hamas propaganda and its cause. The Israel Defense Forces or IDF also claimed a strike at their aid center in Rafah. IDF alleged the projectile came from Khan Yunis in southern Gaza. At least 59,106 Palestinians were killed and 1,42,511 others injured since the war in Gaza. Most of the victims are women and children. Children tell their parents they want to go to heaven because at least heaven has food, said the joint statement by the aid organizations.